In this video, I'll show you how to update OBS on Windows and on Mac. To update on Windows, follow these steps. Open the OBS for Windows application. In here, in the topmost panel of the app, look for the Help section. You will get to see the Check for Updates option here. Click on it. Next, you will see a pop-up on your screen that shows you the release notes of the latest version with an Update Now button. If you are already on the latest version, no updates will be found. Once the update is complete, you will see a small button to launch OBS. Click on it, and your new version of OBS. How to update OBS on Mac. Open the OBS Studio app for Mac. Here, on the top left section of your screen, find the OBS Studio button. Click on it. Once you do, you will see the option to check for updates. Click on this option. Your OBS for Mac application will start checking for updates. If you are on the latest version, you will get a message saying so. If not, you will get to see a small download window pop up to update OBS to the latest version, similar to the Windows version. Thank you for watching. Like if you found this video helpful.